you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not working support code C14A, you've come to the right place. So basically, as you can see, I can easily open Snapchat and I can use it. But if you receive this problem, you won't be able even to open it. You'll have some logging problems or something like this. And in order to fix this problem, we need to firstly close the Snapchat and then go to App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile. And then we need to search for Snapchat right up here to open their official app page. And then make sure that you have the latest version, because number one problem is that you've not updated your app for a long time. So if you have the update or upgrade button, please click on it and then you'll receive open button. So now we can try to open and try to log in once more. And the other way of how can we fix this problem is that we need to go to settings, then scroll down to find our apps, and here we need to search for Snapchat. So open it, and here make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on, so the lowest line here. And then go to settings and scroll to the upside, go to general and iPhone storage. So after that, we need to wait until everything will be uploaded and we'll have access to our data, to our storage. So on the Android, it may look a little bit different, but make sure that you found this folder inside. You can try to use search or something like this. And when everything will be uploaded, we need to find the Snapchat. So it may take a little time because I have a lot of data, as you can see on my phone. So now we need to search for Snapchat here and then just click on Upload App. So after that, we'll delete all the data and then we'll upload. We need to re-upload. So we'll have the button here to re-upload. We need to re-upload, then close, and then just open the Snapchat. And everything is fixed. This is a way of how can we fix Snapchat not working support code C14A. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.